City Rec at Home. It's me, Zets. For today's Rec and Reading, we are going to be making a special kind of pizza for the book, The Little Red Hen Makes a Pizza. Kind of like the Little Red Hen, I couldn't get any special helper chefs today, but I'm sure they'll show up when it's time to eat. Let's make a mess. So this recipe can be super easy or super complicated. We're gonna go with the easy route with all store-bought ingredients. The other thing to note is I'm using a high-walled bakeable glass dish. So because it's a high-walled one, my veggies didn't cook the way I wanted to. So I always kind of pan fry them first to give them a little head start. I also like to pan fry my meat a little bit to go, so give that a bit of a head start too. But any way you make a pizza can be made this way, and that's that. So just using butter, grease the inside wall and the floor and around the top lid. A lot of cheese on the bottom. Right? You want cheese, right?
Yeah, only cheese.
Only cheese. Okay, that's it then. Stop. Spoon this on.
Okay.
Take the dough, you're gonna spread it like Play-Doh and you're gonna make a hat.
Okay. Ah, this is so weird. Alright everybody, here's our pizza pot pies. That's it for now for the Rec and Reading program. Everybody, make sure to stay safe and have fun! Bye-bye now. Bye.